I'm about to begin my DIY project. This is my living room. For the most part, it was used as a playroom for my kids because why not use all this empty space to add a trampoline? So for the last several years, my living room has taken quite a beating. You can see the damage that my kids did to the roof and the ceiling, but it's okay because I am going to repaint everything with Benjamin Moore paint. We have a little bit of a water leak on the ceiling and we're gonna patch this all up. So I started testing colors. So you can see here that I tested Indian River, which I love very much, but not for this room. It was a little bit too gray for me, which is why it's super important to test. So I'm gonna surprise you with which color we chose, but I wanted to get a before video of what this room looks like. It's a disaster. And I'm gonna make sure everything is all taped and covered using Benjamin Moore paint and Santa Barbara Paint Depot products like paint and rollers and paintbrushes to get this all done. So stay tuned.